In order to build your affiliate marketing business and your profits, you need to find products in your chosen niche. To find these products, you need to go to the platforms that have such products for you to promote as an affiliate. There are many different affiliate platforms online. Many will be listed in the Affiliate Marketing Action Plan Resources list. In this video, we will focus on 3 of the most popular platforms, as well as some of their characteristics: JVZoo, ClickBank, and ShareASale. JVZoo. JVZoo has really come on strong over the last few years to become a top online marketing platform, both for sellers and for affiliates. In fact, it is now listed at number 779 on Inc. 5000's America's Fastest Growing Private Companies. More and more internet marketers are selling their products online via the JVZoo marketplace, taking advantage of the platform's ability to not only sell their products via their own efforts, but also to recruit affiliates to help them sell their products through them as well. JVZoo has digital products from virtually every conceivable category, from business, finance, internet marketing, e-commerce, publishing, writing to cooking, food, health, fitness, self-improvement, and more. Virtually every category that you could promote products in outside of risque topics is here. You only need to register an account at JVZoo in order to sell your own offers on the platform and to promote other marketers' products as an affiliate. To begin promoting products as an affiliate on the JVZoo platform, you need to sign up for an account as described in the last chapter. Just click the Start Promoting button on the main page of the site. Note that there is one JVZoo account for both affiliates and sellers, thus, once you register as an affiliate, you will be able to sell on the JVZoo platform as well when you are ready. ClickBank. ClickBank is a privately held internet retailer of both physical and digital products. A subsidiary of Kinetics Inc., one of Idaho's largest privately held technology companies, it was founded in 1998. It currently has over more than 6 million clients worldwide and is now the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. ClickBank has a vast library of over 6 million unique products that are served around the world. The company looks to satisfy their customers and to provide entrepreneurs with the right tools and resources to create, publish, and market their products in order to grow their businesses. To begin promoting products as an affiliate on the ClickBank platform, you need to register for an account as described in the last chapter. Once you do and confirm your account, you can access the ClickBank Marketplace by clicking on Marketplace at the top of the screen. On this page, you will find instructions on how to find products to promote, as well as a primer on affiliate marketing if you are unfamiliar on exactly what it is and how it relates to ClickBank. There are 2 main ways to find products to promote on the ClickBank platform: via the Categories section on the left side of the page and via keywords using the Find Products search box at the top of the page. Choose a category that fits or closely resembles the niche you have selected. Once you select a category and click on it, you will see the top products based on popularity. You'll see the name of the product, the URL of the product, some information about what the product is, the average dollar sale, and a Promote button. You would click the Promote button to get your unique referral link to promote that product. There you will be required to provide personal information, banking information, so you can get paid, and then account information related to your ClickBank account. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network based in the River North neighborhood in Chicago, Illinois. It was founded in 2000 and serves both affiliates and merchants. The company has received accolades for accuracy, efficiency, and speed, as well as its honest reputation in the affiliate marketing industry. ShareASale has many categories of merchants you can promote, including home and garden, fashion, green, business, art and music, food and drink, family and kids, education, and more. To begin promoting products as an affiliate on the ShareASale platform, you need to register for an account as described in the last chapter. Once you do that and confirm your account, you will receive an affiliate welcome package. You will have access to many categories of merchants and products, including computers, electronics, automotive, art, music, photography, cosmetics, auction services, clothing, online dating services, and more. Once you select a category, you will see several merchants affiliated with that category, along with the sales commission you can earn and a Join Program button. If you click on a Join Program button, you will find out more information about the merchant. You will also receive HTML referral links and banners from the merchants you choose to join. You will place these on your websites, blogs, social media accounts, and other places that allow affiliate links, banners so that you can earn affiliate commissions. Just choose the merchants that you think will match up best with your target audience based on the descriptions of their businesses. One important note about ShareASale: they give you the ability to deep link. This means that you can link prospects straight to a registration page on the merchant's website, bypassing the merchant's home page. This can help to ensure that you get referral commissions from your click-throughs, as people will be taken directly to the product page rather than the home page, which could result in lost commissions because people get lost on the site. If you want a step-by-step training that makes it easy to follow along, check the links in the description below, and for any question let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.